Today we're making mixed berry chia jam. We're gonna start with 3 cups of either fresh or frozen mixed berries.
You can use any kind of berries that you want. If you want just strawberries or just blueberries, it doesn't have to be mixed. Oops.
And then 1/4 cup of chia seeds.
I know, this is really, I'm gonna turn this down.
So about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds has the same amount of protein as 1 egg. It can actually be used in recipes to substitute an egg. It makes it a nice gelatinous substance to our jam and preserves when it cools down. And then we're gonna do some fresh local honey and 1/4 cup of the honey as well. So it adds a nice sweetness.
Look at that. It's like liquid
It looks
gold.
delicious, I know. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use almond extract, any other flavor that you might like the taste of. And 1/2 teaspoon each of ground cardamom and ground cinnamon. Again, these are optional depending on your flavor preferences, but it's a great way to add a lot of flavor and some antioxidant boost by using fresh or spices, dried spices. You can really smell the flavors, and the color of the berries is awesome. The berries themselves have a ton of antioxidants as well as fiber. So you're going to combine that and cook over medium heat until the berries begin to break down and burst. And then we're just using a potato masher to just squish them up.
I think our jam is ready. So I'm gonna turn off the stove and we'll pour it into our bowl to let it cool.
Looks
Now,
great.
It's still gonna be pretty liquidy right now while it's hot, but as it cools, those chia seeds will really gel up and you'll get more of a thicker jam consistency, especially if you put it in the fridge.
Yep, so it's more like a preserves than anything. And a great source of fiber and omega-3s.
Yes.